Dude, what's up? It's Juicy Fruit Players.
Yeah. Okay. What? A Greater Rockford, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So today we will teach
Loading
my
airport.
friend how to actually fly a plane.
Oh, I found you. I found you. Okay, I'm going to chase you. I'm going to
Yeah.
chase you. I'm going to spam parachute. I don't know why.
That's not that fast.
Okay,
You have
I made it. I made it. Okay.
Yeah. So first we have to go to our private island.
Oh, our private island?
Yeah. We don't want to destroy a public island.
Okay.
Oh.
Then yeah.
Yeah. Nobody's coming to that airport, which is big airport. This is actually
Never mind. Subscribe.
Never mind. Subscribe, dude. So I have to just taxi to the runway. So time lapse starts.
Okay. Where are we going today?
We're going to Lanka Airport. This is flight 1941.
Okay.
We request to taxi to runway 36L.
Okay.
Are we clear for takeoff at 3:45?
Okay. I think you have to crank up the volume.
Roger, copy. We request to take off again.
Okay.
Alright, Roger.
Roger.
You have to say you are clear. You're not that professional. Oh, I forgot something.
What
Look
did
at
you
me.
forget?
Look at me.
Yeah.
Look at me. I got the game pass. That can fit.
Oh.
I can change my outfit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my game pass.
I think you have to crank up the volume.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we went to the runway. So are we clear for takeoff right now?
Yeah.
36L. We are officially going at 100% throttle at 45 knots to 70 knots. We have no worries about overrunning the runway. We are for Lanka Airport. About shortly arriving about 10 minutes late. Not 10. 5 minutes later. 5 minutes later. This is gonna be at a really weird angle to place it. We are going at we are altitude holding at about we're still going up at altitude right now. About 1,000 feet above sea level.
Wait,
we are holding at
passenger. Why did I become a passenger?
Cause you actually just changed it. You just changed the.
Oh my gosh! Should I come back? I think I should come back.
Alright, I lost the plane right now, so I think you cannot change seats.
Oh wait! Oh, I dropped. Bye bye.
Oh, bad.
I died. I dropped.
Then this is take 2.
Yeah, take 2. I mean, you didn't have to cut the video.
I just couldn't.
Oh, we're gonna cut the video?
Right now.
No. We are not going to cut the video.
Oh.
Because I am still doing the video right now.
Yeah. And you just left.
Yeah, because there was no, because I just wanted to leave and come back.
Yeah, just
hold tight. Play.
Yeah, and just you just don't touch the keyboard.
Wait,
all right. I'm a professional, so I
that means I'm a noob.
Yeah, I flew 600 minutes, so I'm gonna start the intro head on.
Okay.
Hello guys, this is YouTube Plays, and today we're gonna teach my friend how to fly a plane
Because I'm a noob.
We were saying the same thing because it was scripted.
Yeah.
Yeah. By the way, what are you doing?
I'm just making. I'm. Please clear
There's somebody
the path.
called you oh mother. There's somebody called you oh mother. What the-
Who? Who is that?
You oh mother. You oh murder.
Oh yeah. Oh, I
here's
found
a
him.
murder.
I found him. Let's become the co-pilot.
Yeah, co-pilot, do not. I'm just gonna keep being locked. So first, today, I have to go to not reverse. This is flight. I forgot. This is flight 1941. Gyro. Can't count that. This is flight. Gyro 1941.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are we clear for taking off at runway 36L?
Yep.
We have to request that to taxi at 384 H3A5 taxiway 4. Are we clear for F2 F3 run taxi changing intersection point?
Yep.
Alright, are we clear for taxiing to the runway at with taxiway F7?
Yeah. You guys know that I am a noob at this thing.
What you knew? What?
I am a noob of this game.
Oh yeah, I thought you were a new bat.
Yeah, that is crazy.
Yeah.
If I'm dead, then
There's
why
a
am I
Korean-
surviving right now?
I don't know. There's a Korean Air behind, so are we clear for takeoff at runway 36L? Are we clear?
Yeah.
Alright. We are officially going at about on takeoff. We are officially we're not taking off yet.
I mean, if I go into the airplane, when I see your controller, you're not even touching the controller.
I'm not
Whoa,
even
whoa. He's flying.
I'm using PC. Oh,
What is
whoa,
that?
whoa.
X-Non 5483 or something.
Yeah. And that plane actually zoomed next to the runway. Yes. You
Yeah.
saw that? Yeah, that was.
If this
that
is like plane crushers too, and then what'll happen?
a plane crashes too.
Yeah, then maybe we have to crash the plane.
Yeah, on an airport like this. I'm gonna do it on the last robot.
Hello,
I'm
Mr.
gonna do it on
Nima 2. I am in what is it called? A Gyro 1941 or thing?
I have to do the radio burst.
Whoa! What? Oh, the binoculars are insane.
Indicator. Do not do not touch whatever you're controlling with, like a keyboard or iPad. What are you controlling with? Are you using the PC? Are you using the PC?
What island are we going to go to?
We are going to Larka Island. There's a person there, but the one. So, yeah. So we are gonna go to destination Thanos Airport. For the first flight, we're gonna go to Larka to
Okay.
Thanos, the same island. So we are officially. Oops! My engine just decided to just start out. My engine stalled out.
Yeah.
Yeah. The engine actually turned off by itself.
Yeah, please like for a part 2.
Yeah. Yeah, this is part 2 of this video. We are officially not altitude holding. We are officially contracting flap 1. Are you clear for that?
Gyro 1941.
Yeah.
Wait, can I become a passenger?
No, there's a risk that you might fall in the ocean
Okay.
and just sneeze.
Are you going to land in this airport or no?
No, not this is an airfield.
Oh.
No, this is not an airport.
Oh, it's not an airport?
Yeah, we're going to leave out of the airport area. We're circling just for altitude and speed. We are officially going holding it at about 350 knots.
Okay.
All right. We're circling. Are we clear for contracting flap 2? Are we clear for contracting flap 2? Are we clear?
Yep.
This is flight OG54. We are officially at landing.
Yeah, we are at it. Yeah.
Yeah, we are at mode. So we are about 300 knots. We have down.
Totally.
Yeah. And that's the airport we're landing. I believe that's the airport. Oh no, I'm not going the right direction.
Whoa, what
We
is
are-
this green platform thing?
It's not a green platform, it's just a farm.
Oh.
Oh.
It looks like dead trees with bushes or something.
Yeah, that's
Oh, that's just a
that
farm?
was satisfaction.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
just a farm.
Yeah, that
There's
was
an airport right there. Barra Airport.
This is just this sand dune is Barra Airport. This just
Oh.
on the beach. That thingy, and this plane is not designed for landing on.
I think I found an airport right there.
That's the Fanos Airport. I was clear for contracting flap 3.
Okay?
Yeah. We are lowering the throttle right now. We are circling because we are going on an angle unexpected.
Yeah, you're 100% better than me. I crash every time when I land.
Yeah, crash landing.
Yeah, crash landing.
Landing the whole
Crash
time.
landing, baby.
Crash landing, baby.
Oh my.
But
This is the first time we're going to film together.
film together.
Yeah. I think this
Oh,
is the first time.
Yeah, we're, as I say that, land. Reach on.
Oh, wait.
We're reverse twisting officially.
So in last video, I did Plane Simulator.
Yeah, I saw that video.
Yeah, but at that time, at the last place, the game crashed.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, and then the game glitched, and then I was not able to like join the game for hours, and then I can now join it now.
And you rage quit it.
Yeah, I rage quit it.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, interesting. Rage quitting
I have a
boys.
girlfriend. Oof, I have a girlfriend.
Wait, do you actually?
What?
Do you actually?
No.
Yeah, if you had a girlfriend, then why don't you put the girlfriend in your video?
Yeah.
Oof.
As we say that, we are at the airport.
Yup. And her girlfriend is a passenger of your airplane.
All right. Jump out.
Okay.
So the first mission is to actually know how to control the plane.
Oh.
So first we're gonna get a new fresh plane. I'm gonna get a plane. So I'm gonna get
Wait for me. Wait for me.
no. I'm gonna go and taxi to your place. Yeah.
No, I can't reach your place in like 1 minute. I can go there. I'm spamming the fast button. I'm just spamming it.
You don't really spam it. I mean, you don't really spam it to actually go there.
I'm just like pressing it in like super fast moments. Wait for me. Wait for me. No. Wait for me. I'm chasing you.
It's like chasing simulator.
I'm like slow as a baby.
I'm just gonna take off.
Whoa! Okay, I'm gonna catch up then. I'm gonna catch up.
Then I'm gonna just hide. Where? Expected.
Where are oh, it's so far. It'll take so long to get there.
I mean, it's not that long. It's just 30 seconds though.
Yeah, I have to just press the button.
The what button?
Oh, I'm getting
You.
I am going to chase you. I'm going to chase you.
All right then.
But
Be
I'm
careful.
I'm really terrible at driving, so I think I cannot. Yeah.
Yeah, just.
Yeah, I'm gonna just take off.
Oh. You.
Bruh.
Bruh, this is tag. Yeah. So, let's
I think
go
I'm
back.
gonna crash into the station. 3, 2, 1, crash.
You landed into the air. I think you got censored, like.
Yeah, I got in water and then I just flooded.
Oh, you flooded in water?
Yep. Oh my gosh, it'll take a long. Wait, what? Did the floor just lag? It was actually lagging.
What lagged?
Yeah, I can walk on water.
Oh, cause you're Superman.
Yeah, I can walk on water.
What
Like,
Superman?
I'm beneath the water, and then when my camera looks down, it's actually nothing, and then when I look up, it's actually water, and I'm walking on water.
You could walk on water and.
Yeah, I can now walk on water. I have a super ability.
This is neat.
Where are you?
I'm hiding. It's hide and seek.
Oh my gosh. I'm going to press the speed button.
You're gonna.
Yeah, I'm just spamming it.
All right, you're just spamming it. Back to studying. 'Cause it's not hide and seek. We should do that later.
I think I'm finally there. No,
Alright,
I'm still not finally there. Almost.
Yeah,
Yes, we made it. Okay, I made it. Let's go.
I escaped.
Wait, what did you say?
I escaped.
Wait, I can see the void. I can right now see the void.
Yeah, that's normal.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah.
Just come to the airport.
Yeah.
Just come to Fanos Airport. Do you see the Fanos Airport tab, right?
Huh?
It says Fanos Airport, right?
Wait, where are you?
Back at the airport.
Wait, how did you go back to the airport that fast?
I just did a glitch that made me teleport.
Oh my gosh, you glitched!
Yeah, so I'm back to studying.
Oh, you're back to studying?
Yeah, so come back. I'm gonna take you back. Just hop in, alright? I'm just gonna go cruise out. Just hop in, cause I'm gonna get a
Wait
real
for me,
fast plane.
I'm just running and trying to chase you.
Chase you down? Chase me down? This is not chasing. This is
I
not
got
chase
hunted
fast.
by an FBI.
This is chase fast.
Chase?
This is chase craft. This is chase craft.
Chasecraft. Wait for me. Wait for me. No!
You fall in the water. Well,
Yeah,
what a
I'm
nice
in water.
What a nice
Wait for me. Wait for
There's
me.
an
Wait for
overhead.
me.
There's an overhead.
Oh!
Me.
Whoa!
It's me.
Whoa! I cannot even catch up to that speed, bruh.
Catch up. This is about 1,000 knots, and I just fast landed.
Land.
Oh, I went
Come
into
on.
the void.
Yeah. Okay. Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me.
Glitched into the void.
I'm going to just press the button as fast as I can.
You could reset your character and go to Thanos Airport.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, you could reset. And
Wait, what? How did you? Where are you?
reset character. All right. Open menu and just press R to reset character.
Oh. Oh.
So just reset and go to the place. Go to Thanos Airport.
Oh, I died.
Oh yeah. Just reset character and
then
come to Thanos Airport. PHANOS.
Oh,
Just-
what airport?
Thanos Airport. You just click. You just put your mouse cursor. Yeah. There. All right. So first, This is gonna be the plane we're gonna drive.
Okay. Wait for me. Wait for me.
Then I'm gonna be the first. I'm gonna do the test. How well you are. You're in the co-pilot. Be the
Yeah.
pilot. Be the pilot. I'm just gonna test you how much you can do.
I'm really bad. I'm just going to tell you, I'm really bad.
Alright, just do the best you can, because I'm gonna get a test. This is, follow the yellow line. What are you doing? F minus. F minus. Your grade is F minus. Your grade is F minus.
Yeah, my driving skills are really bad.
Fine. Then.
Because I don't have any driver license.
Alright, then first. You just went into the void. Come back. Just hop out.
Wait, what?
Hop out.
How do you, what?
Space to hop out.
Oh, wait, I'm going to come back.
Oh, alright.
I cannot come back.
Land on this runway. It's fine to crash land, so.
Oh, I crashed and land. I crashed.
Yeah, here. Come here, I'm doing this. Like that poster thingy, I'm doing this. Follow me. Follow that red rod. Follow.
I'm going to
red
catch
rod.
you. I'm going to catch you.
Follow like the red rod. Oh, shoot. You crashed me. What? You just crashed
I
landed.
definitely
No
going
landing
to
here.
touch water now. Oh,
Just hop out.
frick. Oh, no.
Space.
Wait for me.
Space. Preston.
Wait,
Well,
what?
I have.
Okay. Come on. Okay, we're up.
Come on, I just think under the just reset again.
Are we set?
This is nonsense. So we have to take another take.
Yeah. Wait, are you
Yeah.
going to take another take?
I'm fine. Then I'm not gonna.
Yeah,
Then
because when you said last time you were going to take another take, I'm just continuing the video right now.
Yeah. So come to the same airport. Then-
Wait. Okay.
First, let's.
I'm almost there. Wait for me.
Then first we have to get how to throttle. First turn. You know how to turn the engines on, right?
Yeah.
Or press E to the engines on, and make sure that you're not at free cam. If you can move your camera freely, then press C. C to get to focus cam. You understand?
Yeah.
Then first you could steer with the mouse pointer. If you put the mouse pointer to the left, the plane will go left, and you put the mouse pointer to the right, the plane will go right.
Interesting.
And if you put the mouse pointer up, the plane is gonna pull up, and if you put the mouse pointer down, it's gonna pull down. Oh, okay.
Okay. Then I'm going to make my own airplane.
No. Before that, we have to get first. You have to reverse thrust. You know how to reverse thrust? Key to reverse thrust. Press P. All right. P key. All right. Got it?
Yeah.
Then, if you first press the forward key, and that what key are you using? Up arrow or W? Arrows or WASD? Which are you using? Excuse me. Which are you using? WASD or arrow keys?
I'm trying to use arrow keys.
But you normally use WASD.
Yeah, I mean I can use it too.
Then use W to go forward
Yeah.
and increase throttle, and do not hold W like it's gonna go to max throttle. So if you want to make this plane be slow, just press W1. All right.
Okay.
Okay, and look. Then next, let's change drivers. Do not do anything.
Wait, what?
Do not
Oh.
do anything. Just go to be the pilot.
Okay.
And press 5. And go to
5.
pilot. Yeah, and now start engines. And you see on the top there's a bar.
Yeah.
You see that? And if you press W, the bar turns green, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, stop. F to stop. F. And hold W key until the throttle's fine. Like you want the throttle to be 50%. You just hold it until the green bar, the number of middle, the number in the middle of the bar. It says 50%, then you're in 50% throttle. So control now. Can you control it on ground? What's it?
No.
On about land speed. On about land speed. About 5% throttle is the best.
5%?
Yeah, and if you can be close, you don't have to be exact, but then please control the plane until the runway, and the taxiing is about 10% smile. Chin. to taxi to runway, follow the yellow line on on the airport. You see the yellow line
The fuel one?
on the airport? You see that? You see that? Are you here? Are you AFK?
No? Wait,
Oh.
which line? Which line?
This yellow line.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Look. Follow the yellow line.
I don't know how to.
Just maneuver. Just use the mouse pointer to just go left or right, and go. If you go on the yellow line, you could put the mouse pointer. No, not there. Go back. Go you turn. Then follow the yellow line. As you don't really exactly need to, but you just move the mouse pointer to there, to the where the yellow line takes. Not like this. Don't go randomly. You see where that yellow line goes, and if it goes go to the really narrow places. It means you're gonna go to the taxiway, so don't go randomly. So just go for this airport. Just go forward. Just don't go to the curve. Yeah. Easy. Just go to the. Yeah, just go forward and forward.
Oh, no.
Whoa. Forward. And you see, you could zoom out, right?
Yeah?
With the scroller. Zoom out and see where the taxiway leads. If it leads to the top of the runway, it means that that you are gonna go to the runway, like the route, like that. If you just curve to the left after this straightaway, the left, not like over 90-degree curve, but about 60-degree curve. You see that curve? Curve there. All right. Curve right now. No, and just go over to that narrow place. You see that?
Yeah?
Yeah. Go to that. Go there. And that narrow place is called the taxiway.
Oh.
Yeah. So then go to the runway until that other taxiway. You see the other taxiway, right?
What?
Over there, you see the taxiway, right? If you curve to the right, you see you're gonna hit a taxiway, right? Go right. Yeah, you see the narrow. You don't go to 100% throttle yet, and just go to the center of the runway, and just you see the line. You see the
White line?
You see that there's no taxi lines there, but you see that behind you there's a narrow road thingy, a narrow taxiway. You understand? Zoom out the camera. Zooming your cameras. It's really.
Okay.
Yeah, and you see the road on the right. No. Go. You're going to the other side. You're going to the other side. No. Go back to the runway.
Oh.
You're going to the other side. That's mine. Don't go there.
Yeah, I'm trying to go back.
Oh, this is not a real test. This is just going on the grass and doing random things.
Oh.
Go left, and go to the runway. And you see that the road on the left, right? Yeah. There, you're heading there, right?
Yeah.
You see there? I can recommend that on light aircraft, these propeller small aircraft, you could go like on 10% on like on the big place, the airport itself. Oh no! Just go straight. Put the mouse cursor on no. Put the mouse cursor to the left. First, I think you have to go to the taxiway. And go to the right. Not like that. You're going to do a 180.
Okay.
So just move your mouse pointer a smidge. All right. Then you're gonna turn.
What did you say there?
Just move your mouse pointer a smidge. Not like across the whole screen. And this is a big curve. Go to the right. Then you see, go to the right. Wait, I think you could go across the across. Stop. Straighten out. Straight. Alright, straighten out. And just go to the left because you're going out to the taxiway. And straight. Right. Alright, then just slow down. Go to the right to the runway. You face that runway. And next we have stop. Alright, stop. S to stop. S to brake. And stop the engines.
Oh.
Yeah, stop the engine. So next we are gonna teach how to fly.
Okay.
This one. First, you have to straighten it out on the runway because you are going fast. And if you go out of the runway, DNF. So just try to stay on the runway. I mean, the runway is a little thicker than the taxiway though. But if you just wiggle, if you just go on if you experience, I think I'm gonna go to the grass, then just turn to the other side.
Okay.
All right. And if you are and you have to put the mouse pointer up.
Oh.
All right. To pull up, and you could control it, like put it on up, and you could turn the mouse pointer like here and here, like right, left, right, on top.
Okay.
That means you could pull up while you are pulling to the sides. Alright?
Okay.
So go to about 5% throttle because you have to straighten it out. So straighten it. And I think you could use a smidge of the left. Just 5%, just a little smidge to the left. Put the mouse pointer to the smidge of the left. Alright, stop. S. I think that's fair enough. So control why and how you fly, and just go up until it says 1,000 feet on the bar on top. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it says 0 feet right now, but if it says 1,000 feet, tell me and press T. Alright.
Wait, altitude should be 1,000 feet.
Yeah, and press T to cruise.
Press D.
The T.
A T. Okay.
Alright, so you can make it off.
Can I just do it?
Yeah. That's 100%, not 1,000%. 100% throttle, and try to straighten it out. Alright, just you can wiggle, but not that much. Just because if you go out, it has to be enough. I mean the white lines on the middle of the runway is about the guideline. I mean, you don't have to be there, but you can just out smidge. Oh no. You don't really want put the mouse pointer up, mouse pointer up.
Oh no.
Put the mouse pointer out. Up.
My mouse isn't working.
Oh shoot. We're gonna overshoot shoot the runway. Oh, you flew. You flew.
Oh.
Yeah, could you control?
Control
if you-
what?
Did you reach 1,000 feet?
No, still in 500 feet.
Then just go pull up more. You don't really strain this out with mouse pointer again, and pull up. I'm straightening this out. You're pulling down now.
Oh.
All right. Are you 1,000 feet right now?
Almost.
All right. Then pull up more.
Okay, I'm at 1,000 feet.
Press T.
Okay.
T.
T or E?
T.
T.
T. T. T. T. T. T. Thingy.
Okay, press T.
No. Just R. Then press R.
Okay.
R.
I'm going down.
No. It's gonna strain in itself because you're doing altitude hold. All right. Done. And are you done? Then press R key again.
Okay.
And no. Control it to Isola Airport. You're going down to the ocean.
Oh no.
You're pulling down. Pull up. 1,000 feet is the best altitude you could be. So go, just control it until you go to Isola Rani Airport. You see that thing, right? You're going to the other side. You're going to the other side.
The other side?
You're going to the go more then just go more right.
Right?
Just go and control it to the right until I say okay. Right.
Oh, I'm going down. Oh my god.
Put the mouse pointer up. And you can pull up, and just if you not yet. What? Not yet. Alright, stop. And press R. Press R. Then it's in an altitude hold and go on a straight line. And G to contract landing gears.
Landing gear?
Yeah, G.
Oh, G?
The tire will go into the aircraft. Tire. The end. You know? Are you alright? Right now, I think you are AFK.
Well, where are we going next?
We're going to the Perth Airport.
Oh, Perth. Okay.
Yeah. And we're gonna land, and that's the first flight.
Okay.
Yeah, and just to repeat that
Wait,
process.
how many flights are we going to do more?
What?
Wait, is this the first flight?
Your first proper flight.
Oh.
not a crash landing flight. You see, you don't want to
Wait,
crash
my
land.
fuel is running out. Almost.
Oh, then go to Scopolis. You see the letter Scopolis, right? Scopolis.
Scop
Okay.
left?
Yeah. Point to that by controlling the aircraft. To the left.
Yeah. I'm trying to point it left.
Press R again,
Okay.
and then R.
Oh,
Yeah. Are you alright? Did you Did you go over half fuel?
what did you say?
Did you go over half fuel?
Yeah?
How much? 1/4?
No, 1/4, but like maybe like 1.5/4.
1.5%?
Yeah.
Like,
Wait, maybe, no. like 3%.
Oh, whoa. So that means you have to actually then lower your throttle to about 60%.
Oh no.
What? You ran out of fuel?
No, I didn't run out of fuel.
Then stop your engines for a while.
What did you say?
Stop your engines by E.
Oh, so
You can
press E?
glide. Yeah. And if it says stop warning, you could turn on the engines and go to 100% throttle. And if it does not say stop warning, then it's gonna be fine. Then just turn off the engines again. Press R. Yeah, R for now.
Oh, wait.
R and E to cruise. No, engine.
Wait, I think I'm.
You're out.
Wait,
Red. Oh.
no.
Stop the engine. You lost control. R. Yeah. And stop the engine. E.
E.
Yeah. Yeah, and if it says stop warning, it means you're stalling. So then turn your engines on. That island is our destination.
Okay.
It says stop warning. Then, if it does not say stop warning,
Wait.
then R.
I did hold R. Oh no.
You stalled out.
Yeah, I think I ran out of fuel there.
No. The engine was still moving.
Oh yeah.
The stat said that. Then come to Lukla Airport.
Oh, what airport?
Lukla Airport, because it's close to our destination. Lukla Airport.
Lukla Airport.
Yeah, Lukla. Yeah, there. Hi.
Hello?
Hello. So first, let's go there and for the first proper landing and flight. So I'm gonna just taxi and so I think you don't really need a light aircraft. I think you could use
Oh, I spawned one.
Oh shoot. What? What did you spawn? Oh, that?
Yeah.
That's the worst plane. I'm fine. It's fine.
I'm going to just test it.
Then just do this exact thing. Next, you could go to the runway that is next to you.
Wait, what? Why does it say 550?
Stop.
Oh, no. It doesn't stop. What was that?
You just crashed. You just hit the wall. You didn't.
Taxing, stop warning. Taxing, stop warning. Oh.
That was 100% throttle. I'm trading it out. You're gonna crash again. 100% throttle. This is a small runway then. 100% throttle, straight in and out. If you fall off the mountain, DNF. Are you going 100% throttle? You're going 100% throttle. The red here is
Should I go 100% throttle?
Yeah. You have to.
I have to.
You just want two-thirds of the runway. I think you're gonna overshoot the runway. Oh no, because there's a big dune under the mountain. Look, that airplane. That plane actually crashed, overshot. And yeah, I think you're going to the no. Go to Perth. So go to the left.
Go to the left.
Yeah. Press R again. Then go to the left. Don't crash to the mountain. I think you're fine for the risk of crashing to the island. And you see that there's the Perth Airport over there, right? R. Go a little bit of right. Go right. R and go. Press R and go right.
What did you
Press
say?
R. Press R and go right.
Oh.
You're late. Go right. And see that runway. Then get H to press H to
H?
turn. Yeah. H. You're going to no. You have to go to the left. You're going into the ocean.
Oh shoot.
Yeah. Then just pull down using the mouse pointer. Just put the mouse pointer down.
Oh, now?
Yeah, and decrease throttle to about 50%.
50%.
No. Go up. Up. DNF up. Go to the right. I mean the left. Go to the left.
No, my mouse. Oh, my mouse. My mouse. My mouse isn't working.
Then just
Oh my
make it.
gosh, my mouse.
Your mouse is.
My mouse is crazy.
Oh no! Then you didn't complete the first flight.
Oh no.
This is gonna be easy, right?
Oh.
This is gonna really easy, alright? I should say, alright?
Wait, should
Fun.
I have to do the mission again.
Yeah. But spawn at Mellower. Spawn at Mellower.
What?
Mellower. It says Mellow.
Okay.
Yeah, there. Then
go
I'm gonna-
subscribe to his channel.
Yeah, subscribe to my channel.
And my channel.
Then you know. Oh, this is hard to control. Come, follow me. How about? I think you're fine for an airline.
Airline?
Yeah. This. You could fly to this. You could fly this. I'm just gonna.
Air Canada. Wait for me.
Wait,
Yeah, it works. Alright.
and then just click, alright? Look what I'm doing, alright? Click as I go on this taxiway.
I think I'm gonna wrap up the video.
Yeah? We're gonna wrap up this video right now because it's over 45 minutes long. And I think if you didn't put the cut, I think it's about an hour long. We have to continue.
Yeah, my video is 1 hour long, so if you guys want to see the long video, go to my channel and then watch it. But if you want to see the short version, you can go to his channel.
Yeah, and yeah, that's all. So please subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you guys next.
And even my channel. So see you guys in a new video.
Yeah, and 1,000 years.
Yeah.